we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too, and we'll be looking at what it means. How do you say it? Paraprosdokian. Paraprosdokian. Pretty straightforward, even though it is a bit of a mouthful. If you want to know what it is, a figure of speech in which the latter part of a sentence, phrase, or larger discourse is surprising or unexpected in a way that causes the reader or listener to reframe or reinterpret the first part. Paraprosdokian. Paraprosdokian. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.